Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Make sure your Android has reverse wireless charging and the AirPods Pro case supports Qi wireless charging. Once done, charge the phone to a safe level, around 20% or higher, and close the AirPods case so the metal hinge isn't exposed. Next, enable reverse wireless power sharing in your phone's settings. This turns the phone into a temporary wireless charger. Place the phone on a flat surface to steady it, and get ready to position the case precisely at the phone's charging coil. Now focus on the placement. Align the closed AirPods Pro case over the phone's wireless coil. This is usually near the phone's middle rear. You may need to rotate the case 90 degrees or shift it a few millimeters to find the sweet spot. Wireless alignment matters for consistent current flow. Make sure both the phone and case indicators show charging. Your phone often displays a charging icon, and the case may show a tiny LED. Once charging begins, avoid moving the pair so the connection stays stable and efficient. To finish, wait until the AirPods case indicator turns green or the phone shows the case's battery rising. Then remove the case and test the earbuds. If charging never started, make sure nothing blocks the coils. Remove phone cases, clean surfaces, and try different placements. As an alternative, use a USB-C to Lightning cable or a portable charger if your phone or case won't cooperate. If problems persist, restart the phone. Toggle reverse wireless charging off and on, and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.